show you how to assemble our machine after you receive the machine. We open the door. The first step that we cut off the XYZ strap on the robot arm is cut off this one, and also this one, and here the strap on Y-axis, and this one. The next step let you check the robot arm can work normally. The first one we move the right side like this. Move this can be work normally. We back to it to the original place, and then next to for the Y-axis like this, up and down, and then the next is for Z-axis, move like this, back to its original position. Then we cut off the strap on the printer. Here, it cut off, and then let we remove like it to check if it can move normally. Yeah, like this. Move that strap. Check the antifreeze here. Like we check if they have antifreeze. If not, you can open the cover like this and take out the antifreeze. Open that and add like this. It's until three quarters the position. Okay. Now let we add the ink. The first we check if the small plugs are all closed. If not, we need to close this one. And if no problem, we open the big plugs and take out the ink. Open here and add the ink, which the same color, the yellow and the black, blue, pink, red, and another blue, the same color. And after you add it, you need to close the big plug and open the small plug. After you add the ink, you can type it off and check the position. You can till the position is about 3 quarters, and it is okay. Okay, now let we prepare a syringe and let we check the ink cartridge. First, we need to open the small cover on here. Take it out like this. Okay, and then use the syringe forcefully to inside and suction the ink inside. That pump out the extra air inside. Okay, until they have ink in it. Take out and push it in another way. Okay, and close the covers, and you need to do all these 6 plugs one by one. Okay, let we go to the back of the machine and connect the wire books. Get the red with red, gray with gray. Get this network cable from here to connect the router. Power on the machine here. After power on, our machine is starting. We just need to wait about 15 minutes. Then we can go to next step. Click the screen and click the ESC on keyboard to minimize the desktop. And click the ESC on keyboard to minimize the desktop. Now let we open the image on the desktop like this. Yeah. Up slide the screen and click the CNC program. Choose Chinese. Choose the power on print and wait for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, we open the print power. Minimize the desktop. Slide the screen and choose setting. Choose the Bluetooth and the printer. Choose the printer and click the manager and choose this option and choose maintenance. for the head cleaning, the full power cleaning, and wait for 3 minutes. Okay, the time now is finished, and we collect the star. Okay, and you can hear the noise. Now the printer is cleaning. Now close this window and close this one and collect the screen. Press ESC to original the screen.